We'll get him these reindeer things.
Antlers.
And we'll make a picture of us with him for the Christmas card.
That could be nice, yes. Yeah, especially as Louise and Steve, they dressed up Isla, didn't they, in a reindeer outfit? That would be quite funny. This is our baby. Our crap machine. Oh, that leaf hit me right in the eye. You see, it's a nicer walk for him, isn't it, this, yes? There's a lot more natural smells about. Do you reckon?
Mm-hmm. Sorry.
Oh, lovely.
Well, I don't want to swallow it again. If I swallow it again, then I keep on coughing.
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't get it on camera. We've got the sound effects, maybe. Look at that. That is quite strong, isn't it, that current now? No, you don't want to go in the river.
Cooper.
He's just having a he's not interested in the water. I think he's just interested. There'll be lots of animals. You see, there's water rats and voles, snakes sometimes.
The rats spread this horrible illness, and you just touch their skin and you get infected.
It's true, yes. This is the football pitches they were playing on yesterday, yeah.
Okay.
And these children, the ball was about up to their knees, yes. It was so funny watching them. It just reminded me. I was playing it like under 9s, under 8s, like 7-year-olds, and they were falling over so many times. Oh, this is pretty, isn't it? Pretty yellow flowers, yeah, yellow leaves. This is maple leaf, yes? Yeah? Got quite a few of these.